Look out my back!
Hey, be careful, man. That kid pulled a gun on me. He dropped it as soon as he was about to pull it.
Right behind this house, okay? We're gonna cut it and shoot this right up here, right?
Just so everyone knows, that is about to go.
Stay.
Make that left, go down there, I don't know about 100 yards almost.
Hands! Let me see your hands!
Hands on top of your head! Hands! Do not drop your hands! I think that makes 4 guns out of this car thus far. Going to the chamber. There's a Glock 30, so it's a 45. Don't do it! Get him! Get him! Hands up! Hands up! Get your hands up now! Hands up! Heads up. Watch out. Don't do anything. Don't do anything stupid. Do not do anything stupid. Turn around.